Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are heading to Blizzard Beach Water Park. As you can see here, the parking lot wasn't that packed at all. Normally if it's packed, it's going to be filled up all the way to where you see these hedges. Now keep in mind that starting summer 2026, Blizzard Beach tickets are going to be available to you if you're staying at a Disney resort. Now that is only on check-in day. So the day that you're checking in, if you want to head on over to Blizzard Beach, you can go ahead and do so because it is complimentary and included in your Disney resort stay. So here we are walking into Blizzard Beach Water Park. I'm going to be including a store merchandise tour as well for some of the gift shops, so stay tuned. I'm also going to be showing you our Polar Patio rental. You heard me correct. You can book a Polar Patio rental online on Disney's website, so just keep that in mind. I had no idea about the Polar Patios. I just happened to look up Blizzard Beach cabanas because I like to rent cabanas. Since we do have toddlers, I just feel like it's more convenient as far as having to change them and whatnot, having a nice little private area. So I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Polar Patio that we chose. It is going to be Polar Patio number 8, which is located right behind the kids' play area or kids' water play area. They have so many nice picture opportunities, which I absolutely love. Now, included in the Polar Patio rental is towels. You do have unlimited waters inside of a cooler. You have chairs, of course, and they do give you free refillable cups for everyone in your party. Now, as you can see there, premium space check-in is where you're going to check in for your Polar Patio rental. They give you a little bracelet for everyone in your party. Now, I absolutely recommend it. I give it 10 out of 10. Now, what else? You do get a dedicated server with the Polar Patio, and they give you a little menu. I'll be showing you the menu as well that is included. The food was delicious, and of course, they do bring you any ice cream or dessert that you like. So we chose to get the ice cream pail, which is one of their famous desserts. Absolutely delicious. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit that like button. If you like videos like this, anything Disney, Universal, theme parks, travel, hit that subscribe button. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay magical.